everyone, welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. Today I'm going to be sharing some easy, healthy summer meals and snacks that I've been enjoying lately. So I'm starting my day with some boiled eggs that I'm going to be pairing with granola that I've been enjoying a lot this week. So I've been craving granola and I found this at the store and I thought I'll give that a try. It looks pretty good. It's a crunchy 3 nut. I think it's got some hazelnuts in there and I think there's Brazil nuts in it. And yeah, looks good. Let's give it a go. I'm topping the granola with some sliced banana, blueberries, and some almond milk. And having some eggs on the side adds some of that extra protein so that I feel more satisfied and my blood sugar is more balanced to start the day. Protein is definitely important to have as part of your breakfast, just to help with that blood sugar and satiety, especially if you're having a breakfast that has some of that carb content as well, such as an oatmeal or a granola like this. This is exactly what I feel like eating this morning. Nice crunchy granola with some nice fresh fruit on top and some almond milk. Delicious. We bought this green juice the other day from the grocery store when we were grocery shopping. It's just from Loblaws. For those of you in Canada, orange juice, spinach juice, kale juice, celery juice, and spirulina. It's actually really good. We just thought we'd grab it. It looked tasty. A little expensive, but we don't buy this all the time. So it is lunchtime and I'm gonna be making what I like to call my Tex-Mex salad. It's basically romaine lettuce, some cucumber, some cherry tomatoes, black beans, some marbled cheese, and a really nice like creamy chipotle dressing as well. So as for the dressing, I've been really craving like a really nice, rich, creamy salad dressing to go on my salads lately. So this is just, what did I do? I mixed together apple cider vinegar, some grainy mustard, mayo, and cracked black pepper, a little bit of maple syrup in there. But you know what? You could totally do a store-bought dressing if that's easier for you. You know, whatever makes a salad taste delicious for you is what matters most, you know? Like if that's what's gonna allow you to get in some nice fresh veggies in a salad, whatever you gotta do, whether that's buying one store-bought or making, you know, a yummy one at home, the flavor of a dressing is really what will help you to enjoy your salads so much more. So I'm gonna be making some chia pudding. I love making chia pudding. It makes a great snack during the day. If you have a batch made, makes a great breakfast in the morning or a great dessert in the evening. Now there's so many different variations of this, but the one that I'm gonna make today is a chocolate banana because I have, oh, it's ripping. Oh, I have these super ripe bananas that are in need of being used. So I'm gonna use these to kind of give it a chocolatey banana flavor, but also to sweeten it. It's a really simple recipe, like the base of the chia pudding recipe that I like to make, but again, you can do like fruit or like berries, or like there's other ways that I sometimes like to make this chia pudding, but it's gonna be chocolate banana today. So to make this chia pudding, you'll need a can of coconut milk. I use full fat coconut milk, 2 ripe bananas. You'll need half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 cup of chia seeds, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cacao powder, and about 1/2 cup of water, and also a pinch of sea salt as well. Really helps to bring out the flavors. And then what I like to do with my chia puddings is actually blend it, which really helps to make it super ultra creamy. I mean, you don't have to if you don't want to, if you prefer like the whole chia seeds, that kind of vibe, totally up to you. A lot of people do that, but I like to blend my chia puddings. But then just refrigerate for a few hours and then you can enjoy. It's snack time and I'm gonna be enjoying some cherries. I absolutely love cherries in the summertime. They're just such a delicious fruit, such a good snacking fruit too. So I'm just gonna enjoy some of these. So I'm just getting dinner started tonight. We're gonna do some chicken fajitas. I'm gonna be sauteing up some bell peppers with garlic and some cremini mushrooms as well. And then I also have our marinated chicken here. So basically what I did was I took 2 chicken breasts and in this little resealable silicone bag, it's basically soy sauce, some olive oil, chili powder, cumin, and smoked paprika and some lime juice. Actually, no, I used lemon juice because I didn't have lime juice, unfortunately. We're gonna grill this on the barbecue. Cutting up mushrooms is so satisfying because it's like slicing through butter. They're just so easy to slice. So we're back from our walk. I'm gonna make myself a natural calm magnesium drink. I really like drinking this stuff. I have it fairly often, but especially during the luteal phase of my menstrual cycle, and that is because I find that it helps me a lot with things like PMS, menstrual cramps, and that's because magnesium is a muscle relaxant and very anti-stress and that kind of thing. So I'm gonna have this tonight, and Sean is gonna have a tea. I'm gonna make him a tea, and we're gonna have a little bit of chia pudding as well. Sean is gonna have this white rose tea. It is so nice. We love this tea. It's just like really, I don't know, just like a light, kind of floral tasting tea. It's really, really lovely. All right, so that is it for today's What I Eat in a Day video. I hope that you got some new recipe inspiration, some things that I've definitely been enjoying eating lately, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.